Hello students, today we shall learn the skeletal and muscular system. Students, when we make a house, we first make the pillars with the help of beams. The rest of the house, such as ceilings and walls, it rests on these pillars. They form a rigid and strong framework that holds the whole house together. In the same way, the human body has a framework which is known as skeleton. It has a vertebral column or backbone, and that's why humans are called vertebrates. There are some small size animals and they do not have a backbone, and that's why they are called as invertebrates. Students, now what is a skeletal system? The framework of bones that supports our body and provides rigidity, it is called the skeletal system or skeleton. The skeleton performs few functions. They are as follows. It gives shape to our body. It provides support to the body so that we can stand erect. It protects the vital internal organs of our body such as brain, heart, lungs and spinal cord. Students, do you know how many bones are there in the skeleton of an adult human being? There are 206 bones, while a newborn baby it has more than 300 bones. As the baby grows, some bones join together. The bones are of different shapes and sizes. All of them, however, they are attached to one another. Now let's see the bone structure. Bones are made up of tissues. Bones have nerves and blood vessels. Bones are hard outside, but they are soft and spongy inside. They contain a soft tissue which is called as bone marrow. New blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. Bones perform the following functions. Bones help us to move our body parts. Most of the blood cells are produced inside bones. Bones also store calcium for our body. The human skeleton is made up of many parts such as skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs, girdles, etc. Now let's see the structure of a skull. The human skull, it is made up of 22 bones, and out of these 8 bones cover and protect the brain. The remaining 14 bones it make up the face. Out of the 22 bones, only the lower jaw bone is movable, means we cannot move the upper jaw. Skull protects the eyes, inner part of the ear, nose and mouth. Skull gives a characteristic shape to our face. It changes slightly as people grow older. The male skull is slightly different from the female skull. Backbone. Backbone, it is also known as the spine. The backbone is made up of 33 bones called vertebrae. They form a column. It is called as vertebral column. Vertebral column protects the spinal cord. The vertebral column forms the main axis of the skeleton. The joints between the two vertebrae have an intervertebral disc. Individual means the vertebra alone cannot move, but the spine has some flexibility, and that's why we can bend our back. Exercise and good posture, it helps us to maintain the flexibility of the backbone. Rib cage. The rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of bow-shaped bones. It protects the heart and the lungs. The first rib is the shortest and most curved. The rib cage, it has another long bone in the front and it is called as sternum or breastbone. The ribs are attached to the sternum in the front and to the backbone at the back. The last two pairs of ribs, However, they are attached only to the backbone, and that's why they are known as floating ribs. Limbs. There are two pairs of limbs in our body, forelimbs, which we call it as the arms or the hands, and hind limbs means legs. Our arms and legs are made up of many bones. The upper arm is made up of one bone called humerus. The lower arm has two bones, radius and ulna. The thigh or upper part of the leg has a long bone called femur. Femur is the longest bone in the body. It bears the whole weight of the body. The part of the leg below the knee is made up of two bones, tibia and fibula. Do you think the fingers are made of one single bone or many small bones? Find it out. Girdles. The girdles are a set of bones that form a semicircular structure to which other bones are joined. There are two pairs of girdles in human body. One pectoral girdle and two pelvic girdle. One pectoral girdle that forms the shoulder and the other pelvic girdle that forms the hip. The humerus bone is attached to the pectoral girdle and the femur bone to the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle also supports the upper body. Children, do you know bones are held together by a strong tissue which is called as ligament. Children, in this video we have learnt skeleton is the framework of bones that supports the body. The skeleton is made up of skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs and girdles. The bones give shape to our body and protect the internal organs. In the next video, we shall learn joints.
Thank you, students. Follow all the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Have a great time ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.